B. I see you. Let's get it. Big Bang meets tonight, man. Hope to see you guys there. Go. Yeah, that's fucking cool, dude. That is way cool. Oh, I love it. That's bitchin'. What up, fam? We out here. My boy Crispy.
Check it out.
Big Bang Meets, motherfucking SC Garages, VFE out here. Let's go, man. Big Bang Meets, let's go. Where you guys at tonight?
Tonight we're going to find out who's got bars. VFE or Supercar Garage?
Hey, all reins to my guys Supercar Garages right now. I'm holding down for the Lamborghini squad. Ain't nobody else shredding Lamborghinis like my boy Chris out here. Tell me different. Alright, TGP. Alright. Ratchet after 11, TGP. Supercar Garage is out here, man. Gonna give me that show. Let's go. VFE. Let's go. Chris out here, man. Supercar Garage is getting that shit. TGP, let's see it, baby.
Oh, wait.
My boy. Close as fuck, baby. Let's go, Big Bang Meets. Let's get it. We out here. You're tired. Tired, brother. Tired, brother. Woo! Crushing them, Chris. SC Garages. Check them out, man. Supercar Garages, Visionary Foreign and Exotic. Ratchet after 11.
It is what it is, baby.
This fool's wildin'. My boy wants some though.
That's pretty good, huh?
Yeah, fuck yeah, let's go. You only get better, bro, the more you do it, right? Takes practice, baby. It takes practice out here. Watch your ass. Here we go, here we go.
Yeah, I seen that shit. I got that shit on video. Really? Yeah. Send me it.
Well guys, I'm gonna be honest, I had no plans of making a video tonight, but goddamn, all type of ratchet just happened. So fuck it, let's make a video. See? That's cool.